The fast cool feature assists with periods of high refrigerator use, full grocery loads, or temporarily warm room temperatures. Press the mode button until fast cool illuminates. To turn off fast cool or any mode, press and hold mode for 3 seconds. The fast freeze feature assists with periods of high freezer use, full grocery loads, or temporarily warm room temperatures. To activate the fast freeze, press the mode button until it illuminates. To turn off fast freeze, press and hold mode for 3 seconds. Vacation mode. This mode is designed to avoid your appliance from wasting energy during times when it's not in regular use. By selecting this function, the temperature of the fresh food compartment will automatically be set to 53 degrees. To activate or turn off vacation mode, press mode button until vacation illuminates. To turn off vacation mode, press and hold mode for 3 seconds. Press and hold for 3 seconds the freezer button to activate or deactivate the freezer ice maker.